How to customize product page in WooCommerce. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply log into your WooCommerce account, and after that on the left hand side panel, click on WooCommerce. After that, select the option of settings. And by following this step, you would be able to disable or enable the product reviews on your products. So open up settings, then click on the option of product tab. Then you would be able to find the option of reviews, where you can simply enable it or disable it. Simply enable it or disable it according to your needs and preferences, and you would be able to see the changes on your product page by just saving these changes. Now let's see how we can disable breadcrumbs on our product page. So for this, you will have to open up the theme customization and then select the option of WooCommerce, then select single product. After that, you would be able to find the option to disable breadcrumbs. You can simply enable it as well if you want to, and then click on publish in order to see the changes. If you want to remove the product meta right below the product, and you want to remove the additional details of particular product, then for this you will have to open up the theme customization, then select the option of additional CSS at the bottom in the left hand side panel. And if you know the CSS snippets, you would be able to make more changes to your product page quite easily, like removing the product meta or removing the additional details of a particular product. So this is how you would be able to make the changes or customize product page on WooCommerce. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.